Oke, siapa mau start? Oke, Alif.
Kok mau bentang?
Gak apa, mesti aku yang start dulu.
Itu reflection yang kemarin kita
Self trust
bincang.
aja lah.
Hmm, Oke, Alif.
Sabar kok, sabar kok, kejap kok. Boleh start sudah ini?
Boleh.
So this is my apa? Individual apa? Reaction. So biasalah, you know my apa? My full name is Muhammad Alif Abdullah from BTESL, and our lecturer, our good lecturer Puan Jovita, so Miss Jovita. So what are your tests? So my test is the tests I have done are individual and group tests, where individual tests have several tests. Create a Powtoon, idea brief, and poster, and making a little of the video. Okay, so what online idea tool do you use to complete tests? So macam like literally, you know lah, I use Canva, CapCut, and Powtoon for the story, for the animation of the storytelling. Yeah, I use those tools to edit stuff. Canva using Canva literally making poster, and CapCut is literally making recording the video of our individual making our own poster, and the Powtoon is literally making animated storytelling editing. So number three, what problem or issue do you encounter during activity and when using online idea tools? So my problem is Powtoon charged very expensive with the price of $150, and it ruined my editing. Don't get me wrong, I like using Powtoon. I like using Powtoon, but the most annoying part is the payment. All of it very expensive, 150 ringgit. I mean 150 dollars. Just imagine $150 kan. How much in ringgit? Probably like 300 ringgit. Who know? Probably. Who know? Okay. Straight to the point. Number four, how is the problem solved? What are your efforts? So my effort is the effort are making overcome my problem is every time I have a problem, I always talk to you guys about discussing about interruption and solve it by going, as always as Miss Jovita. And if you don't understand, and then that's why sometimes if I don't understand, I always ask Miss Jovita or to you guys about lah. Sometimes yeah, sometimes the most I don't understand is how to make Powtoon, and that's how I asked Miss Jovita, and Miss Jovita tried to explain about Powtoon by saying paying tons editing tool and premium stuff. You don't need it. Just use the free stuff editing tool in Powtoon. Okay. So the fifth one, how do you feel about online tool? Uh, how do I feel online tool? How do I feel online tool? after completing your assignment, describe and compare your previous experience. My feeling about online tool is that I can do it more easier, making poster, editing stuff, and animating cartoon storytelling. And I also learn new things about editing, making a video from that, from online tools. Yeah, I learned some of I learned some of new things like editing or making poster. So you like literally new things I can learn. Okay, so the final is 6. What do you learn through the activity? Through this activity, I was able to learn something, how to make a poster. I already understand how I learned from this activity that I already know how to make a poster, idea brief, sometimes just the title, and editing video in Powtoon. That one is literally carry the game. And most importantly is that when I didn't understand about the activity stuff, I can always about I don't understand about activity stuff, you always can ask Miss Jovita and friends, or literally your own group of friends. If you don't understand about your assignment activity stuff, you don't understand how to make a poster or editing, you can always ask Miss Jovita or your friends or even your group. So I think that's it. That's it lah. And this is my literally like usual, your like usual. And yeah, that's it. That's it for me. Thank you so much. And it's and you guys turn. I mean, your turn now.
Oke, ada yang mau
Wah,
next? Oke, oke. Oke, Sarah.
Hello everyone and good night.
hello, selamat malam.
Kerja apa? Nampak kah?
Nampak.
Okay. So this is my individual reflection. Okay. So this is my name. Sahira Ain Binti Jeffrey. My ID number. Program Diploma in Education, which is English as second language. Lecturer Miss Jovi as well. Google Meet punya link nanti saya tukar. Okay. So ini saya punya apa nih? Tas yang kita buat lah yang hari itu, yang poster portfolio semua, apa guna storyboard, cartoon, video dengan video yang kita syuting, yang kamu lah yang hari itu. Online IT tools yang saya guna is Canva juga dan juga CapCut. Saya guna itu sebab dia senang dan gitulah. Yang problem yang saya lalui ialah persekitaran yang bising, buatkan sesusah mau fokus apa semua buat. How I resolve my problem is saya pergi dekat hostel kami, hostel perempuan, MSUC punya. Saya pergi cari apa wifi di sana sebab di sana wifi dia free. Jadi senang sama buat saya punya assignment lah. Yang ini report. Lepas yang saya buat, lepas saya pergi hostel, jadi saya punya kerja jadi senang. Apa saya pelajari dari yang kita buat, saya dapat menggunakan online IT tools dengan senang dan juga saya boleh jadi lebih kreatif sebab skill saya pun makin bertambah. Okay, itu jadi reason. Thank you.
Oh my god. Wait.
Okay, thank you, Sarah. Okay, ada lagi yang mau volunteer? Oke, saya lah.
Shabi.
Sekejap ah, mau ubah sedikit. Oke, sekejap. Oke, boleh nampak? Okay. Good evening or night, everyone. So this is my individual reflection. My name is Eva Brenda, and I'm from the TESOL, and my faculty is Faculty of School of Education and Social Sciences. And this subject is PEC 700 IT Skills, and I'm the session of April 2024. So this is my individual ID photo. So this is my biodata. Full name is Eva Brenda Kelaikong. My ID number 2102024070005 and program diploma in TESOL, and our lecturer Miss Joby Grace Sandy, and YouTube link belum ada. Alright, okay, so this is gonna be so long sebab I did the tasks one by one, but I try to macam kasih pendek dia lah. Okay. So the task that I did, the first task is making a logo for our group Sustainagy, and our logo uh mesti ada meaning lah, maksudnya tidak boleh sembarangan buat logo. And our title of project is sustainable energy, and the logo should be as creative as it can as possible. Again, the online IT tools that I use to complete the task is by using Canva apps, because Canva, it has like a lot of templates and examples to do the logo designs. Like me, I'm not that creative in graphic design things, so um, I don't know how to design beautifully. So from Canva, it has a lot of example, jadi macam tinggal refer gitu gitu je lah, and it is so easy. Okay, and the third questions, what the problem or issue did you encounter? So the problem that I faced during the activity and using the Canva is internet network problem lah. Okay, sebab it's online kan, so it needs a good internet network untuk finish the task. And how was the problem resolved? So the effort that I made is basically going to the college library sebab ada free Wi-Fi. So just use the Wi-Fi there, and the internet is doing good as well. So boleh buat dengan smooth lah. Okay. After the fifth questions, after I have completed my tasks, I felt that Canva is easy and very fun to use, especially untuk desain logo. And at the same time, they enhance my creativity skills, means boleh improve my creativity lah. Sebab macam yang saya cakap, I'm not that creative in graphic design, so Canva literally helps a lot. Sebab dia senang and banyak example. So before using this Canva, I always thought that designing logo is hard. But after discover about Canva, I have like more ideas untuk design lah, and I felt that designing is interesting. Okay, so things that I learned through the activities is I knew how to create my own logo by using all the templates given in Canva. And I learned that every logo has its own meaning and unique. So means setiap logo tuh dia ada maksud masing-masing lah, dia bukan sembarangan gitu. Okay. Okay, the second task is poster. Okay, so first question first question is okay, making poster and making a poster about green energy exhibition, our event lah. Okay, second questions, same. I use Canva as well to design my poster sebab okay, same reason, have a lot of templates and examples so that I can refer. Okay, third questions, the problem or issue pun sama, which is internet network problems. But the other problem is I can't use some beautiful graphics for my posters sebab kena pro. It's pro. Yang cantik-cantik tuh mesti pro. So, how I resolve the problem? For the internet network, uh, same same reason juga lah. Go to the college library to use the Wi-Fi. For the Pro, Canva Pro, I try to borrow like my cousin's Canva account, macam pinjam gitulah, okay, borrow. And then I use her Canva account because she had Pro lah. So I do not need to pay and I can finish my task perfectly. Okay, the fifth questions. After I have completed my tasks, okay, same reason, Canva apps is very easy to use and give me a lot of ideas to design my poster. So before this, same juga, I'm not that creative to to design a beautiful graphic poster. But after using Canva, um, I found that it was really easy, convenient, and makes me easier to design interesting poster. So things that I've learned through the activity is Canva can improve my designing and creativity skills and help me to design more interesting poster in the future. So it means I have like experience to create a poster now and I knew how to create more interesting poster in the future if it was needed. Okay. Third task. Okay, sabarnya yang siap sudah. Okay. So this task is storyboard. A storyboard about our group title, which is sustainable energy. So this storyboard need to be done based on the idea brief that our group made lah. The idea brief tuh yang kita buat, which contains all the informations and details about sustainable energy and also our event. So our storyboard need to include all these things lah. Okay. The online tool that I use to complete the task is using the storyboard website. And the problem or issue that I face during using the storyboard is I can only use we lah kan kita semua can only use 3 pages for the storyboard sebab dia ada limit. So if mau continue pakai itu kena bayar, need to pay RM4 kalau anda silap. Okay. And how the problem resolved? So the problem resolved by paying the storyboard from the website guna credit card so that we can use the storyboard more than 3 pages and continue doing our tasks. So after I have completed this storyboard, I felt that storyboard is such an interesting online tool because dia macam buat comics. Okay. So before using and discover about storyboard, I don't have knowledge about making any graphics like comics. So macam ada macam considering sedikit lah macam mana orang lain buat comics tu. So after discover about storyboard, dia macam bagi a new experience about making a story in dialogue type. So macam okay, tahu sudah discover sudah rupanya orang guna storyboard untuk buat komik semua ni. Okay. So things that I learned while doing the storyboard is I knew how to make comics by using the storyboard, and I learned how to choose the good background dialogue and our character, choosing our own character based on our creativity. Okay, last task. The last task is Powtoon. Okay, so Powtoon is an animation video based on our storyboard. The storyline, character, and the background is same macam di storyboard. So dia macam transfer the storyboard to this Powtoon, but perbezaannya Powtoon is video gitu. So the online tool that I use for this task is Powtoon website. The problem that I faced while doing the Powtoon is okay, internet network problem lah. Okay. Besides, I found that some part is difficult to do, such as deciding the character's position. Sebab mau drag itu character, and satu video tuh mungkin ada 3 karakter gitulah. And then setiap character and the dialogue need to match with the duration, with the dialogue lah. Means dia ada duration dia. Contohnya kalau setiap satu karakter tuh 5 saat, karakter lain pun kena 5 saat. Same with the dialogue lah gitu. So I think that part is very difficult and kena banyak bersabar. And how was the problem resolved? So the effort that I made is for the network problem is came to college library, and then for the difficulties that I face, I tried to face by doing step by step plan and kena sabar, have to be patient and watch some tutorials from YouTube. Even though the tutorials pun agak banyak step, but yeah, that's how you do it. Okay. And the fifth questions after I have completed this pattern, I feel that it is interesting to use, although I faced some difficulties while using it, but I felt relief after being able to complete the task. Okay, of course, like susah. So lepas siap tu macam relief gitu. Okay. So before you discover about Powtoon, I didn't know how to make an animation video with dialogue, but after discover about it, I knew how to make an interesting animation video with the dialogue as well. Okay, so last questions. Uh, things that I've learned through the activity while doing this Powtoon is I have knowledge about making an animation video. Sebab sebelum ni, I literally don't have any knowledge about it. Besides, I learned how to choose the background, characters, writing dialogue from the Powtoon, and it helps me to improve my video editing skills. Okay, then I also learned that teamwork is really important while doing the project so that our projects can um, berjalan dengan lancar lah. Okay, so okay, Zoom meeting later. Okay, so this is the rubric for individual reflection and all the biodata. And our project title is Sustainable Energy. Group name is Sustaenergy. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening even though terlampau panjang. Okay, thank you. Okay, next. Kenapa ada Firdaus tu?
Siapa lepas ni?
Sorry, lupa of prison. Oke, Anis atau Queen
Nah, ya.
atau Muas, sorry, lupa.
Eh, What? Eh, apa?
Dampak
Okay, so hi. My, this is my report, reflection report. So my faculty is Faculty of School of Education and Social Sciences. My name is Muhammad Arshami bin Sharin. My program is DTSL and my lecturer is Miss Jovi Gresandi. So, terus lebih tas. Okay, task satu pasal logo. The task that I got was to create our group logo. The logo must have its own meaning in every element. Second, what was the online tool that you used to complete the task? So the tool I used to complete the task is Canva, and the problem I encounter is an internet network problem. So apa ni tulisannya saya so the effort I made to overcome the problem is going to the college. We use college Wi-Fi to modify the logo. And how how about my feelings? My feeling when I use this online IT tool after I finish my task is that it's easier to use because there are so many templates that I can use to complete my task. And last, I've learned how to create the logo with my own creativity using Canva. Then the second task is poster. The online tools I use is Canva. Canva has provide so many templates that I can use. The problem I encounter is same as the logo, the internet network problem. So my effort to solve this problem is I came to the college and use Wi-Fi college. Then my feeling is it is easy to use the online IT tools when I do my task. And the last, I can provide, I can improve my skill by using the Canva app. I have to be more creative to edit the poster. Then the task three is storyboard. The online tools I use to complete this task is storyboard website. So but the problem or issue that I encounter during the activity is sama juga internet problem and the storyboard cannot make more than 3 pages. So the effort to resolve this problem is I go to the college and buy the storyboard for ringgit. Then I feel satisfied about the online IT tools after I've complete my task and and I can complete my task even though I must pay for the storyboard. And the last, I have learned how to make comic through the storyboard, and I can edit my character based on my creativity. And the last task is Powtoon. Uh, the task is to make an animation for our topic, sustainable energy. The online IT tool I use to complete this task is Powtoon. The problem I've encountered is sama juga internet network because like itulah internet network. So my effort to solve this problem, I should go to the college and use college internet to complete the task. How am I feeling about the online tools is I'm very satisfied about the online tools. After I've completed my task, it is easier to make an animation in Powtoon compared to the other online IT tools I've used before. So the last, what did I learn through the activity? I learned how to use Powtoon and create animation in Powtoon, and I should have been more creative in editing the characters and storyline than before. Okay, thank you. That's all lah. Then this is my apa ni? Rubrik keberkahan. Okay, thank you. Aja.
Queen, kau kan atau aku?
Saya duduk.
Bah.
Nampak kan?
Nampak Pak.
Okay. Hi, my name is Queen. I'm from Faculty of School of Education and Social Sciences. And as you can see here, my name is Queen Verlin Priska Peter, and this is my metric ID. I'm from Diploma in TESOL, and our lecturer is Miss Jovi Grace Sandi. Yang ini Zoom YouTube link nanti lepas ni Zoom baru letak tuh link di YouTube. Okay. First question, what was your task? So the tasks that I have done are group project and individual tasks. The group project was completed based on the weekly activity. I've done the logo and the exhibition poster. After the lecturer, our lecturer, Miss Jovi, chose the logo and poster, the next activity that I've did was storyboard and Powtoon. Lastly, I shoot a video with my group members for the video promotion. For the individual tasks, I've designed a poster and created a short video. Next, what was the online IT tool that I used to complete the task? For group project, I used Canva for creating logo and poster. I also used Storyboard and Powtoon to explain the idea brief for video promotion. As for completing the individual task, I use Canva to design poster and I use CapCut to edit the video for the tutorial. Besides that, I've created a video for task 2 by using Powtoon. So the third question, what was the problem or issue that I've encountered during the activity and while using the online IT tool? The problem that I've encountered was the internet network outage and surrounding problem. Not only that, my groupmate and I also have to pay for the storyboard to use various equipments. So how did I solve the problem, what was my effort? The effort that I've made to overcome my problem was I had to use my hotspot as an internet to help me. As for the surrounding problem, I solve it by listening to music so that I can release my stress while doing my assignment gitu. So for the storyboard payment, I had to pay it for my groupmate to finish the group project as soon as possible. Fifth question, how do I feel about the online IT tool after I've completed the task? For me, I think I'm able to finish the task on time by using the online IT tools. This is because with the diversity of templates that I've got online, I can easily use the template and be able to complete the task easily. So last question, what did I learn through the activity? So through this activity, I have learned how to use IT tools well. I also can create something creatively by using the online IT tool. By using the online IT tool, I know the pros and cons while editing and creating something such as posters and videos. Lastly, I can improve my skill by using the online IT tool. So this is the evidence of the task. This is my logo and poster, and this is the storyboard. This is the Powtoon, and for the individual tasks, this is my video, and lastly, the Zoom meeting that we've done last time for the individual portfolio. So, may belum ka naisi sebab ni peers evaluation. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Ani Zulaika. I'm from Faculty of School of Education and Social Science. So this is my biodata. My full name is Ani Zulaika Muhammad Hairul, my ID, and program BTSL. Lecturer is Miss Jovita Gresandi. Okay, this is my first task, which is create a logo. Okay, we create the logo. The logo should have their own meaning in every element lah. Okay, lepas tu the online IT tools that I use to complete the task is Canva apps, and the problem that I encounter during the activity to complete the task is network problem. Sebab itulah. Okay, lepas tu to overcome the problem is I'm going to the college to use the Wi-Fi to modify the logo. And how I feel after I complete the task is saya rasa macam senang lah menggunakan Canva untuk complete the task sebab dia ada template dia masing-masing yang based on yang kita cari lah. Okay, lepas tu what I learned is I learned how to create a logo and think about the meaning of the logo. Okay, lepas tu the second task is poster. Poster, I've got to create a poster about our topic, but our title of the poster is actually exhibition about the green energy, and we will put the information such as that, times and place. And what was the online IT tools that I use is Canva, because Canva have so many template. After that, the problem or issue that during the activity is that would problem juga sebab itulah time hujan. Kalau macam time hujan kan, dia punya line tu kan weak lah, lemah. Jadi dia dapat mau edit tu lah dalam Canva. Sebab Canva ni dia use internet. Lepas tu untuk solve the problem, saya terpaksa pergi college juga, sama aja macam yang Canva tu, macam yang logo tu. Okay, lepas tu number 5 pula, how my feeling after complete the task is easy to use, and what I learned is I can improve my skill by using the Canva. Kiranya kan baru-baru je guna Canva, jadi boleh improve lah skill untuk guna Canva. Lepas tu I should be more creative to edit the poster. Task number 3 is storyboard. Okay, storyboard ni based on our title. Storyboard ni dia macam komik. Okay, lepas tu online tools that I use is storyboard website. The problem is storyboard ni dia guna internet juga, jadi internet dia punya network tu weak lah. Kalau macam gitulah. Lepas tu storyboard ni dia tak boleh pakai macam tak boleh pakai lebih daripada 3 pages kah. Lepas tu untuk pakai lebih tu mesti bayar lah. Okay, lepas tu untuk solve the problem tu sama aja pergi college, wifi college tu kuat lah. Okay, lepas tu bayarlah tu storyboard untuk buat more than 3 pages. Lepas tu apa yang saya rasa, how I feel after finish the task is rasa macam susah lah juga mau dibayar, tapi okay lah juga. Gitulah. Lepas tu what did I learn is I have to learn more about the storyboard, and I have to learn how to make the comic. Kita macam buat karakter dia tu lah. Kita mesti learn macam lebih kreatif lah, senang cerita lebih kreatif. Okay. Lepas tu Powtoon pula yang last task kita. Dia macam komik tapi version video lah. Dia animation. Lepas tu untuk complete the task is Powtoon website, and the problem that during the activity is sama aja internet network. Okay, lepas tu untuk kasih selesai tu masalah ialah pergi college lah. Sa wifi college lagi kuat. Okay, lepas tu how I feel is it's hard to use it because susah lah mau untuk use to Powtoon, complicated. Lepas tu what I learn is I have to be more creative to edit the characters in Powtoon, sama mau edit latar belakang dia lagi. Okay, itu aja. Dan ini kita punya lah, Pierce. Okay.
Oke, semua sudah kan?
Sudah.
Oke, jawab. Ada soalan. Hah? Siapa lagi belum?
Sudah, semua sudah.
Oke. Apa nih? Queen.
Apa, Miss?
Oke. Tidak sedangkan apa-apa. Soalan. Anis, Sarah, Queen ada soalan.
Tidak.
Oke. Kalau
Tidak.
enggak.
Ah.
Hah? Ada.
Tidak.
Oke. Apa-apa chat di grup jalan, oke? Oke guys, bye.
Oke,
Dapat
bye, tidur.
Bye.
Tidur.
Jap. Buka cam dulu, saya mau gambar. Anis, Queen, Sarah, buka cam dulu. Oke, Sarah. Mana sudah Sarah?
Tidur kali.
Sarah?
Baru
Tidur.
dia bercakap tadi, katanya terus tidur.
Sarah.
Semua ambil banner lagi.
Hilang kan?
So, line na bagus kali.
Oh,
Oke.
dapat lah. Oke, jadi
Wan, bareng gitu gila. Screenshot dia lah.
Iyalah, saya mau gambar, gambar untuk
Sila.
oke.
Oh, gambar gitu.
Alright,
Atau
oke. Oke, bye-bye.
Bagus ako screenshot.
Ada circle screenshot, oke, nice. Oke, good night.
Bye bye. Good night. Besok kembali lagi PGMSU.
Mana ada?
Iyalah. Ya kamu orang lah. Aku mau ambil banner. Kan banner
Kok
untuk
kayak-
apa? Activity
kok-
itu.
Kok yang ambil banner? Oh,